This is the first time I've ever seen the GPS throw up the blizzard warning. Go ahead and throw on the engine brake. Just the first level. We got her at about 35 miles per hour, so we could kind of pick up a little bit of speed, but not too much. We'll keep it under 45. There we go. Now it's turning into ice now. Too close to this guy. Let's put over now. There we go. There we go. Take the engine brake off, and then we'll kind of push a little bit right here. Oh yeah, there we go. Still not over yet. Maybe about 8 more miles till we get out of the mountain. But from here we're about an hour away from the rail yard. I'm pretty sure there's still gonna be a whole bunch of rain down there in the LA area. Oh yeah. And we just got done dropping off our load here in LATC. So the load's picking up in City of Industry, not ICTF. They went ahead and fixed that. So I'm not gonna show you guys the rail yard down in Long Beach tonight, but you know, there will be another night where we'll go down there, go ahead and show you guys that, get some footage down there at the yard, so I'm not too worried. We'll go ahead and we're gonna bobtail down to a City of Industry. Instead of going to like their main yard, there's gonna be another yard that's connected to it, and that's where our load is at. This is our entrance right here. We are in the Marne section. Our load is in the 500s. Let's see. Let's just try to see the numbers down here. So the 2s. Those are the 3s, 2. Alright, so my load's back here. I'm still learning this yard. They just redid all of this. They made it a lot nicer. Alright, so I found my load. Let me just go ahead and hook up out here in the rain. We'll take this little road down, and then we just gotta do a small U-turn and then get in one of the checkout lanes. Still haven't put the GPS up to get back down to Vegas, so we'll see how that's looking like right now in a bit. This is a little road right here we gotta take down. Go ahead and take these, so it's kind of going. Is there like a power outage or no? Yeah, then we'll keep going back this way. We'll just use this lane to bypass. We gotta do a U-turn. We're checking out, not checking in. We'll get in one of these lanes to check out, and then we'll see how it goes on the way back into Vegas. Alright, we are going up the mountain here on the Cajon Pass. We got CHP up there. I'm not sure if he's letting anybody go past him. CRST. I got this trucker with no marker lights. Oh. But yeah, let me oh Lord. I kind of feel the wind picking up right here. Well, we're almost to the top of the mountain. Got CHP still up there with his lights on. You know, if everything goes good and we get down to TJ Maxx, we're just gonna go ahead and drop off, and then we just bobtail back home. We got our empty at our parking spot. We'll just go ahead and hook up and set that up for the next load.